Hello, uh, this is a session from playlist Learn English Pronunciation with IK. Some about continues from last video, uh, how we see future, what we see in the future, how entrepreneur see future. And my conclusion is that no one never see future. No one entrepreneur see future uh, because it is history. Uh, but small entrepreneurs, one man, two man, a special one man factory is the most agile, the most agile because it's one man. One man don't need wait for anyone and anybody. He can immediately go where he want to go in action that he want to go. He don't need wait for anybody. And it is big advance one-man factory. And one-man factory don't see future. Don't see future. If you produce today something about controllers and some hardware controllers, electronics, etc. What is future? Do you see future? You have jobs, you have income and job today in present. You look at, you learn, you are engineer, but you don't see what to do about future. But there is a good side of that problems, that one man is so agile that no one surprise can surprise him, can block him, because he always have maneuver. He can react impulsively alone. It is one thing. Second thing, the most important thing is that part of market, what have a one-man factory is so small that future, nobody in the future disruptor don't need take it. It is very small that nobody look at that, because big country, big factory, corporation are in dangerous. They will disrupt it. They will be disrupted because they are big. They are don't agile, and they have a big market in the present. Changes, disruption and changes in the future, some changes in the future means changes in the market. And that changes in the market disrupt big company. Google these days closed his G1 social network. Cannot there is no reason for maintenance that social network. And it means that Google, like social network, is finished his job in the world on the market. Market of social network is closed for Google. I repeat, I resume. One-man factory don't see future, but there is no need for afraid of that future, because he can react, and he need small part of market, small part of market, and concurrence. There is no concurrence whom is one-man factory important. And because of that is small is big, is that sentence, and small is Seth Godin, but other people say also that, a lot of people say about that, small, it is one reason that small is big, because small can survive. It is the best example in the history, geology, is dinosaurs and ants and Dinosaurus. The biggest animals, and the biggest live, and the smallest live, some of the smallest live. Ants live today like they have been living in time when dinosaurs walking around globe. But today, dinosaurs, last dinosaurus was in the planet 200 millions ago. And one-man factory don't know future, but he's not afraid of that future, because thinking only about yourself. But his overhead is practically zero. But big factory like Dinosaurus must be afraid, very, very afraid. And there is no acquisition how many have disruptions. Facebook acquisite WhatsApp. Google acquisite YouTube. But Google don't acquisite Facebook. And who knows what Facebook didn't acquisite? Microsoft, Apple. Nobody can acquisite, because nobody know what coming in the future. We can speak about artificial intelligence, etc. And education, like industry of future, health industry of the future, services, etc. But we are not sure what will be and when. Because of that, stay one-man factory if it is possible. Stay small.